Thanks for joining us. I'm Yentl Lieuw. Happy New Year to you and your family. With 2015 upon us, let's celebrate new life. Well, we have footage of the last baby of 2014 as well as the first baby that rang in the new year with us. The last baby of 2014 was born at 6:41 p.m. Marilyn Victoria Willems wrapped up the baby circuit for us. Now, the first baby of this year, also known as the baby of 2015, is Nathan Samuel Chacon. It is a touching story, seeing as Nathan's mother was told she couldn't have children. Nathan was born on January 1st at 1:54 a.m., weighing in at 3,250 grams and 54 centimeters long. Sandra and Ricky are happy parents. 7 babies in total were born on the 1st of January. Congratulations to the happy parents. Moving forward, unfortunately, during the holiday season, especially on New Year's Eve and early New Year's morning, traffic accidents increase. However, for the first time in a while, there were only minor accidents for this time period. According to hospital and police reports, generally speaking, drivers rang in the new year safely. Only minor car accidents took place, nothing fatal. This is a positive development indeed, seeing as the past 2 years, Aruba has always seen several traffic accidents during the holiday season. Hopefully, the roads continue to be accident-free and that the safety trend continues. With that being said, though, we aren't out of the woods yet. Courtesy of 24hora.com, we were able to attain a drifting video that took place in the tourism district that is causing concern from hotel guests as well as the merchants in the area. In front of Paseo Herencia, near the Starbucks area, drivers were caught drifting. This is of high concern since the area is populated with hotel guests and the traffic going by Paseo Herencia and Palm Beach Plaza are regulated to drive a certain speed limit. Due to high volumes of cars and people in the area, drifting could cause fatalities and other incidents. And the senior homes on the island were festive and celebrating the new year even a few days after. Prime Minister Mike Amon visited the seniors' homes to wish them well. Prime Minister Mike Amon, together with his delegation, brought along a Dande band to sing joys and bring wealth, health, as well as success to all the senior homes. On January 3rd, the first Saturday of the year, positive energy, good New Year cheer and vibes, as well as blessings were exchanged between the Prime Minister and the seniors. With the holidays now over, the island can begin preparing for Carnival. Fakkel, the torch parade, is scheduled for this coming Saturday, January 10th, 2015. The Fakkel Optocht, also known as the Torch Parade, is the event that kicks off the carnival season every year. The Torch Parade will start at 8 p.m. and end at approximately 2 a.m. this Saturday. The route for Fakkel remains the same. It will start at Valero Boulevard on L.G. Smith, wrap around the Vondelin Roundabout, and pass Colegio Arubano, ending at the intersection by Banco de Caribe. Dushi Band will be participating in the Fakkel Parade. In memory and in honor of one of its creators, the group will be called Hildward's Dushi Band. For the carnival enthusiasts out there, congratulations. I'm sure you are looking forward to this season. And as some of my friends have told me before, Christmas isn't over for them because this is their Christmas. Don't go anywhere because when we come back, we are taking food porn to a whole different level. Then we'll talk about why it is a bad idea to put models with great bodies on your fridge while you are trying to lose weight. And a grandfather is in the running for giving one of the most thoughtful and relevant gifts of all time. Stay with us. All those topics and more coming up. After the break, take a look to see what wood can do for your phone. Welcome back from the break, and thanks for staying tuned to 15 on 15. In a day and age where people upload everything they eat to Instagram, there's a lot of competition out there when it comes to capturing perfect food porn. Well, one restaurant in Belgium created what may be the ultimate food porn video, and it is mouthwatering. A filmmaker and a chef joined forces to film the process of cooking as an art form with their mesmerizing Gastronomy 2014 video. The piece highlights all of the beautiful details that go into making a gourmet meal from an up-close perspective, and it is definitely a foodie's dream. Check it out. A new year is upon us, which usually means plenty of resolutions. Well, if you are trying to lose weight, here is a practical tip for you. Contrary to popular belief, placing pictures of models with the quote-unquote perfect body on your fridge will not help you lose weight. Putting up photos of your goal or ideal body is supposed to be motivating. Nutritionists say these pictures don't work. The pictures of the perfect body are just that. Someone else's perfect body, not yours. They may not only be unrealistic, they may be deterring you from getting the results you're looking for. Here's why. Have you ever found yourself eating healthy, feeling fit, and noticing that your jeans are fitting better than ever, only to be disappointed because you still look nothing like her? For most people, that causes stress, which makes your body release a cascade of hormones that make you hungrier, disrupt your sleep, and make you gain weight in your midsection. So, instead of putting a woman who gets paid to work out for hours a day on your fridge, put up motivational quotes or a list of ideas of things to do besides for eating. Also, pictures of healthy food you love would work as well. But more importantly, place a photo of yourself where you felt good. Your best can help you keep you on track toward a weight loss goal that is actually realistic for you. So for this holiday season, did you think you got someone the most thoughtful gift? Well, a grandfather is here to challenge you on that. A granddad crafted amazing speakers for his granddaughter's iPhone. He did it completely out of wood. It is amazing what you can use to create a set of makeshift speakers that will amplify the sound of your phone. Who knew possibilities are endless when it comes to making your own speakers? The grandfather secretly measured the dimensions of everyone's phones. He crafted a series of wooden speakers that amplified the sound of the phone without needing batteries or having to charge it.
Don't leave me alone at this time, for I'm afraid of what I will discover inside.
I have to say the best part of this gift is that you can do it yourself and have yourself some new speakers for your iPhone. Let's take a quick break. This is what's coming up next for you. When we return, Mike Amon gives inspiring role models their own publication. Back in November, Prime Minister Mike Amon created a talent and youth program. A book was created in celebration of this particular program to incorporate potential role models in an agenda-type book to pass out to the student body on the island. On Monday, the finalized version of the book was delivered to the participating youths who were selected to appear in the publication. Inside the pages are inspiring stories regarding the role models. The intention is to have the books available to all the schools on the island where students can have access to the publication, whether it is in their library or in the classroom. Each and every one of the role models were greeted and recognized by the Prime Minister, and each of them attained their own publication. Moving forward, it is no secret the island's sky explodes on the 31st of December. Children and adults alike love doing fireworks. It has become a fantastic tradition on the island. One young photographer by the name of Gabriela Cruz was able to capture a picture that depicts the beauty behind this tradition on top of Hooiberg. They say a picture is worth 1,000 words. Truly, this photo by Gabriela Natasha Cruz reinforces that. This photo went viral. Millions of people around the world saw how Aruba welcomes a new year. This picture speaks volumes as to how much we love fireworks. Through the process of internet sharing, this photo went viral. The photo appeared on Instagram, Facebook, and Tumblr. Switching gears, if you want to win big, purchase your Duracell batteries now. Find out why. Duracell has collaborated with GoPro for this shopping season. 3 people have the chance of winning a GoPro by purchasing Duracell batteries. GoPros captures your adventures. It is incredibly versatile. It is a powerful camera and suitable for any activity. So don't miss your chance to win one with Duracell. All you have to do is pick up your pack of Duracell batteries at any participating store. Then write your name, address, and telephone number on the back of the battery pack. Stop by Compra in Schotlandstraat to drop your ballot in the box. Before we go, here is an update within the hotel industry. Richard Roy, the former general manager of the Weston property who was employed by Starwood, is returning to the island to take on the role as the GM of the Tropicana Resort and Casino. That is all the time we have for today. Thank you so much for joining us. We'll be back here tomorrow night right here on Channel 15 ATV, so watch us for a brand new edition. We will see you then, but now we leave you with great footage from a different angle of fireworks, courtesy of Brian Tromp from Collective Productions.